Hey, what is going on everyone? It's IMMERSIVE from Supreme Guru Tech and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be doing the third part of our Nova Launcher tutorial series. If you haven't watched those first two videos, I will leave the link up here and I will also leave it down in the description below if you do want to see those. So if you are new to Nova Launcher and you're not quite sure on how to use the launcher, then stay tuned to these videos. So this video is going to be focusing on the folder side of things. If this is what you're interested in, then stay tuned to this video. So what we are going to do, I'm going to load up a screen recording of my phone on this side. And follow these steps if you want to. Sorry, my dog's looking at me. So follow these steps if you want to find out how to use Nova Launcher. Okay guys, so what we're going to do is go through the folder options on Nova Launcher. So I'm just going to load it up here. And we're going to go into settings. So what we're going to do is go into folders first of all. And we're going to go through each step. First option that we want to go into is window style. So in here, the first thing that we have is mode. We have a choice between immersive and window. So let's tap on window. So as you can see, that makes it a smaller window, more fitted to your applications. So if I load up my window here, you can see that looks pretty nice. So if you do change it to your immersive style, then it looks a little like this. Again, you guys can choose this setting and pick on whichever one that you prefer doing. I kind of like the window style, so I'm going to go back and we're going to put it back to window. Now again, you can choose your background color. So as you can see in the preview that I've got here, my background is matching my wallpaper. But whenever you tap on that, you can choose whatever background color that you want. You can also click on advanced and you can change the hue. And as you can see, as you're going down there, it actually tells you the color that you're picking. And you can choose the saturation and you can choose also the brightness. So once you're happy enough with whatever color that you want, then tap on the tick button. And as you can see, that has changed the color of my folder background. You can also then select your transparency. So if I want it less transparent, I just bring the slider down, make it stand out a bit more. Or if you want it a bit more transparent, you can bring it up on the percentage level. So I'm going to keep it probably around 61%. That looks fine. And again, choose the style that you want. So now what we're going to do is, you can see that the card background is blacked out here, but if I change my mode to immersive, then that brings up the card background. So what you can do here is turn off your card background. So if you don't want any background at all, so that looks like this. That kind of actually looks pretty cool, kind of like that. Let's go back into the settings, folders, window style, card background. So that turns off the card background, or you can give it a background just to make it stand out a wee bit more. If you do leave the card background on, then you can go on to the next step, which is corner radius. So as you can see, as I lift up this corner radius, it looks more curved. And if I bring it back again, it doesn't look just as curved. You can decide what you want to do with that. Show folder name. So as you can see here up at the top, I haven't give. Oh, actually I have give. So these are my social applications. So yeah, you will see that on your card background. Let's go back into settings again, folders. So yeah, if you want to give your folders a name, then definitely make sure that that option is ticked. And you can also choose the grid, so you can make it 3 by 3. So you can see there that adjusts the type of grid that you want on your folder. Scroll direction. So what you want to do is you can choose between vertical or you can choose between horizontal. So if you choose horizontal, I don't have enough folders in here, but basically if you slide it across this way, horizontal, that would slide onto your next list of applications. So again, let's go back. I'm going to keep it on horizontal because I kind of like that option, and we'll go back in. So that's all of the top options that we've went through. Now stay with me on this one. We're going into icon layout. So let's tap on icon layout. So up here you can choose your icon size. You can get it to match the desktop size. So as you can see, that's already selected. But if you deselect it, then again, you can adjust the size of your icons. I'm just going to match it with my desktop size. And now what we're going to go through is the bottom options. So you can make your apps have labels so that you know what apps that you're clicking on, or you can turn that off. If you keep it on, then it means you can adjust the font a bit. So you can choose condensed, medium, light. You can choose whatever one that you want. I like having it on condensed. And you can choose the size of the writing. So as you bring the slider up, you can see that also brings the size of the writing up. You can select the color of your writing. So again, you can do the exact same thing. You can tap on that pink color that I had, and let's see what that looks like. It looks absolutely disgusting. So I'm going to choose it back to, bring it back to white. You can give it a shadow. So if we take the shadow off, you can't really notice it with that writing. And then you can keep it single lined or double lined. So again, just choose whatever setting that you want, and we're going to click out of there. And we're going to go to the next option. So transition animation. So you can choose whenever you press on your folder, you can either get it to do a circle animation or a zoom animation. So let's click on circle and see what that looks like. So I suppose it's very hard to see the animation. Let's click back and go back on to zoom, see what that looks like, see if we can notice a difference. Can't really, I don't really notice much of a difference on there, so again, just choose whatever you prefer. And the last option that we have is folder icon appearance. So you can get it to look like a stack, a fan, or in line. I like keeping it on the grid, and again you can choose the background shape. So you can choose the circle shape, the squircle shape. Let's see what that looks like. Ah, here we go. That makes more sense now. So yeah, you can get it to look like this, teardrop, adaptive. It's because I didn't have my transparency on. So okay, so you can change the look of what your folders look like whenever you actually see them on your main screen. I like it. I actually didn't know about that setting, so there you go. We're both learning something new here. If you guys do use other launchers, let me know down in the comment section below. And if you do want me to review those or even do a tutorial on those, again, leave a comment down there so that I actually know. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. Until next time guys, you've been listening to Anne-Marie from Supreme Guru Tech. Peace.